Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to International Islamic University Islamabad School's Sahiwal Campus online lectures. This is the lecture of Grade 3 English, Unit number 1, Dialogue. And the subtitle is A Special Visitor. Dear students, as this is the first lecture of this unit, so we will begin with the reading. We will read the lesson and I will explain it. I will give you the meanings of difficult words and you people are required to write down those meanings in your classwork notebook. So, before we begin the reading, just bring your English student's book, English classwork notebook and your complete stationery with you. Listen to the teacher attentively and write down the meanings of difficult words in your classwork notebook. Dear students, if you find anything difficult in this lecture, just note down and wait for the discussion session. We will discuss those points in a live session. Okay, open your student's book, page number 6. Open your English classwork notebook and prepare a classwork page. Write down date and day on the top of this page. Prepare index properly. Dear students, on page number 6 of your student's book, write down date and day and classwork on the top of this page also. Okay, dear students, first of all, let's discuss that what is in this lesson. First of all, come to the topic. It is dialogue. What does dialogue mean? Do anyone of you know what is a dialogue? Yes. Dialogue is a conversation between two or more people as a feature of a book, play or film. Dear students, whenever two or more people are talking with each other, we can say that they are doing a dialogue. It is a talk between two or more people. So it means that in this lesson we are going to read some dialogue, some talks, some conversation between some people. Okay. Actually, in this lesson, a special visitor here, Miss Javeria, who is a sportswoman, comes to a class where she was studying 10 years ago. This is the class of Mr. Bashir. Okay. In this lesson, Miss Javeria comes to Mr. Bashir's class where she used to study 10 years ago and now she is a cyclist. She now lives in USA and comes Pakistan when she wants. At Mr. Bashir's school, they are planning for their sports day, so they called Miss Javeria to discuss about sports. Here is a dialogue, a conversation, a talk between the students of class, their class teacher Mr. Bashir and the sportswoman, the cyclist Miss Javeria. And Miss Javeria is the visitor. That's why the title of this lesson is A Special Visitor. Okay. Let's begin the reading. Dear students, in your classwork page, draw a line in the middle of page. Write down words on the left side of this line and their meanings on the right side of their line. Let's start reading. A special visitor. Mr. Bashir. Good morning everyone. Please welcome our special guest Javeria Akhtar. She is going to talk to you this morning. Dear students, whenever we write any dialogue, there is a special format. There is a special method of writing a dialogue. When we write dialogue, talk, conversation between some people, we write the person's name and then we add a special punctuation mark which is called colon, as it is drawn here after the word Mr. Bashir. The vertical 2 dots, this is called colon. This shows that the words which are coming after this colon, those are said by Mr. Bashir. Those are the words which Mr. Bashir is saying. Okay, Mr. Bashir is talking to his class and introducing the visitor who has come to their class. Who is the visitor, dear students? Yes, Javeria, the sportswoman. Okay. Let's read what does Mr. Bashir say. Good morning, everyone. Please welcome our special guest, Miss Javeria Akhtar. She is going to talk to you this morning. After that, who is going to talk? Yes, Javeria. Because here is written Javeria and after that a colon is added, it means that the next words are said by Javeria. Let's see what is Javeria saying. She is saying, "Thank you, Mr. Bashir. I am pleased to be here." Now Javeria is thanking Mr. Bashir that he introduced her in a good words, in a good manner to his class. So she is saying that she is pleased. Dear students, pleased means happy. Javeria is happy that Mr. Bashir introduced her and called her in his class. Okay. After that, who is saying? Mr. Bashir. What is Mr. Bashir saying? He is saying that 10 years ago, Javeria used to be in my class. Now she is a famous sportswoman. Okay. Now Mr. Bashir is telling his class that Javeria was his student 10 years ago. She studied in his class 10 years ago. And now, who is she? Yes, she is a famous sportswoman. She does sports. And what does famous mean? Famous means well known. Who is known by everyone in a society or in a city or in a country or anywhere. So it means that Miss Javeria is well known by in her society. Okay. Now Javeria is saying, Javeria, I am not famous yet, Mr. Bashir. अब वो ये कह रही हैं कि वो अभी इतनी फेमस नहीं हैं जितना मिस्टर बशीर ने उन्हें इंट्रोड्यूस किया. Okay, now Mr. Bashir is saying, you soon will be. Please tell everyone what you do. Now what is Mr. Bashir saying? He is asking Javeria. He first in the first sentence he hopes that Javeria will be well known and famous soon, and in the second sentence Mr. Bashir is asking Javeria to introduce herself in front of the students and tell that what does she do. Javeria, I am a cyclist. Now what is Javeria saying? She is saying, I am a cyclist. I compete in cycle races. Okay, now Javeria is telling the students that she takes part in the competitions in the sports of cycle race. Mr. Bashir, would anyone like to ask Javeria a question? Now Mr. Bashir is asking his class, his students, that is there any question in anyone's mind for Javeria? Dear students, अगर ये जवेरिया ये स्पोर्ट्स वुमेन आपकी क्लास में आएँ तो आप उनसे कोई क्वेश्चन पूछना चाहेंगे? Of course there would be a question in everyone's mind to be asked from Javeria. Okay, now let's see who is asking. Salman. Dear students, who is this Salman? Yes, this must be a student of that class. He wants to ask something from Javeria. Let's see what does he ask. Yes, I would. Which was your best race? Now what is Salman asking? He is asking that which race she played the best one. अब उनसे पूछ रहे हैं कि उन्होंने बहुत सारी रेसेस प्ले की होंगी अभी तक, तो कौन सी रेस थी जो उन्हें अभी तक बेस्ट लगी? Javeria, I won the women's section of SOS cycling championship in Pakistan. Okay, dear students, compete means take part in a challenge. SOS, it is a type of cycling race played along the seaboard. Dear students, बीच के ऊपर एक साइकिल रेस प्ले की जाती है पाकिस्तान में, उसका क्या नाम है? SOWS, SOS. जवेरिया कह रही हैं कि वो वाली जो रेस थी वो इनके लिए अभी तक बेस्ट वन थी. सलमान, नाउ सलमान इज़ आस्किंग समथिंग अगेन. व्हाट इज़ ही आस्किंग? ही इज़ आस्किंग, इज़ इट अ वेरी डिफ़िकल्ट रेस? Javeria. Now Javeria is replying him, yes, it is 40 miles long. It is very hard. On the road along the coast, the wind is in your face all the way. Dear students, now Javeria is telling him that when you are cycling, when you are playing a race on the coast, on the seaboard, on the beach, there wind blows towards your face. Dear students, कभी आपने देखा है सी का जो उधर बीच होता है, सी बोर्ड होता है, वहाँ पे बहुत तेज़ विंड्स चल रही होती हैं. वहाँ पे साइकिलिंग करना बहुत ज़्यादा डिफ़िकल्ट है और आपको जो विंड्स हैं वो आपको पुश कर रही होती हैं, इसलिए वहाँ पे साइकिलिंग बहुत ज़्यादा डिफ़िकल्ट होती है. और जवेरिया को इसलिए वो जो साइकिलिंग रेस थी वो डिफ़िकल्ट भी थी और उसको वो बेस्ट भी लगी. ओके, बैक टू रीडिंग. ईमान. Who is this Iman, dear students? Yes, this must be another student who wants to ask something from Javeria. Let's see, what does he ask? Why did you become a cyclist? Now Iman is asking Javeria that why she became a cyclist. Javeria. My parents gave me first bicycle when I was very small. I always loved cycling. Later, I began to enter कॉम्पिटिशन्स. आई हैड टू ट्रेन एवरी डे. ओके, अब जवेरिया उन्हें बता रही हैं कि वो बहुत छोटी थी जब उनके पेरेंट्स ने उन्हें उनकी पहली बाइसिकल लेके दी और उसके बाद उन्हें बाइसिकल चलाना, उन्हें साइकिलिंग करना इतना अच्छा लगा कि उन्होंने कंपटीशन में पार्टिसिपेट करना स्टार्ट कर दिया. और फिर उसके बाद उन्होंने ट्रेनिंग स्टार्ट की डेली बेसिस पे. उन्हें कितनी ट्रेनिंग करनी पड़ती थी? डेली. शी इज़ सेइंग दैट आई हैड टू ट्रेन every day. Okay, another student comes and asks who is this? Yes, this is Junaid. And Junaid is asking how long do you train each day? अब वो पूछ रहे हैं कि आप डेली ट्रेनिंग करती हैं तो कितनी ट्रेनिंग करती हैं. Dear students, train is a verb. It means practice. अब वो उसे पूछ रहे हैं कि आप जो डेली प्रैक्टिस करती हैं वो कितने हैं. जवेरिया. About 3 hours. It is difficult because I am studying as well. Okay, dear students, अब वो बता रही हैं कि वो रोज़ाना 3 hours ट्रेनिंग करती हैं और ये उनके लिए डिफ़िकल्ट भी है क्योंकि वो साथ साथ स्टडीज़ भी कर रही हैं. Okay, now come to the page number 7. Iman. Iman is the student who already have asked a question. She wants to ask another question. Let's see what she wants to ask. She is asking that where do you live now? Javeria. I go to college in the USA, but I come back to Pakistan when I can. I love my country. Okay, now Javeria is telling that she is actually a Pakistani, but she studied in USA in a college, but she comes back Pakistan whenever she wants because she loves her country. She is actually a Pakistani. Okay, Junaid, another student, he wants to ask something. What do you eat? Junaid is asking Javeria that what does she eat, because of course साइकिलिंग के लिए उन्हें बहुत ज़्यादा एनर्जी की भी ज़रूरत होती होगी, तो इसलिए अब जुनैद उनसे पूछ रहे हैं कि आप खाती क्या हैं. ईमान. यू ऑलवेज़ वॉन्ट टू नो अबाउट फूड जुनैद. अब ईमान जो है वो जुनैद का मजाक कर रही हैं कि आपको हमेशा खाने की पड़ी रहती है. यू ऑलवेज़ वॉन्ट टू नो अबाउट फूड. जवेरिया. नो, दैट्स अ गुड क्वेश्चन. अब जवेरिया कह रही हैं कि जुनैद ने जो क्वेश्चन पूछा है उनकी ईटिंग के बारे में वो गुड क्वेश्चन है. और अब जवेरिया उन्हें क्या बता रही हैं? आई ईट अ लॉट ऑफ ब्रेड, राइस एंड पोटैटोज टू गिव मी एनर्जी. मिस्टर बशीर. डियर स्टूडेंट्स, हु इज़ दिस मिस्टर बशीर? येस, देयर क्लास टीचर. नाउ ही इज़ टॉकिंग to Javeria. He is saying that thank you for coming to see us today, Javeria. Now if you have time, come and watch us practicing for sports day. अब वो जवेरिया से क्या कह रहे हैं कि अगर उनके पास थोड़ा टाइम है तो वो आके देखें उनके स्पोर्ट्स डे के जो वो प्रैक्टिसिंग कर रहे हैं, जो वो प्रिपरेशन कर रहे हैं, ताकि फिर उसके बाद क्या होगा, जवेरिया उन्हें सजेशन भी देंगी. ओके डियर स्टूडेंट्स, एनर्जी मीन्स पावर. I hope you all have written these word meanings in your notebooks and have understood the whole lesson. And if there is any difficulty in this lesson, just note down and wait for the discussion session. Now, what do you are required to do? Read the whole lesson with proper pronunciation and learn these meanings of these difficult words before the next lesson. So you can learn it in a true spirit. This is the end of our today's lesson. Good luck, students. Allah Hafiz.